Well, it is possible to get free Huawei watch faces on some of the devices, at least in case of GT series. So I've had GT1, GT2 and GT3 now, and the GT2 has got free faces available, whereas GT3, it's kind of tricky, but I found a way around. So let me show you how it works. So on my phone, so I go to Huawei Health app and I go to devices, and now I have Huawei the GT2 watch connected. So I can either go there and click on more watches, but let's say I'm gonna click just on watch faces straight away. It's loading the screen. I can have a look at mine, what I have. So this is what I have, by the way. Some of them are free, some of them are not. But what I want to do, I want to scroll here, and at the end I can see free. So if I tap that, then I have all those free watches, and I can scroll, and there are, I don't know, 200 of them or more probably now. It keeps growing. The funny thing is, if I now go to my GT3, so I'm connecting now, and it's on my hand now, and so this is now here on the other side, and I go to watch faces, and then I scroll. There is no free here, but I found at least two ways of doing this. The easy way is to scroll down until I come across, where is it? Timeless Designs, Artistic, for free, and then I click on more, and again I've got a large collection of free watch faces. Now if that doesn't work, another option is to find out the name of the free watch faces that you want and type it in the search engine. So you need to find it somewhere else, maybe from someone who's got already a device that supports free watch faces, or you can do some online search, or in some of my videos I have videos scrolling all the watch faces that were for free, and you need to type the exact name. So for example, AB watch is one of the watches that I have. Now it needs to be the exact precise name, because if I do this and do search, nothing happens, yeah? And so I need to type the exact name, unfortunately. So that's how you go around this. Now some watch faces might not be supported between the various models, I don't know, so you need to test and experiment. Hopefully everything's gonna work for you as well. So thanks for watching, and see you in my other videos with free watch faces, etc. Take care.